Alright guys, so now we got flash flood warning for Morris and East Central Warren counties. At 9:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated the heaviest rain has left the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. However, additional light rain is possible and could exacerbate, I don't know how to pronounce that, flooding that is already occurring. Additional rain amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flood caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as over drainage in low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Florham Park, East Andover, Lincoln Park, Hackettstown, Boonton. Again, my hometown is affected by this. Wharton, Rockaway, and Morris Plains. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 25 and 48, and Interstate 287 between mile markers 34 and 48. Turn around, don't down when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. Now we got an excessive heat warning for most of New Jersey. For Warren, Morris, Huntington, Berks, Lehigh, Northampton, Western Chester, Western Montgomery, and Upper Bucks, including the cities of Washington, Morristown, Flemington, Reading, Allentown, Bethlehem, Easton, Honeybrook, Oxford, Collegeville, Pottstown, Chalfont, and Poughkeepsie. Excessive heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. Excessive heat watch is in effect from Thursday evening through Friday evening. For the first excessive heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 106. For excessive heat watch, dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 105 possible. Where? In New Jersey, Warren, Morris, and Hunterdon. In Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, Northampton, Western Chester, Western Montgomery, and Upper Bucks. When? For the excessive heat warning until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. For the excessive heat watch from Thursday evening to Friday evening. Impacts: extreme heat and humidity will significantly increase the potential of heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. The most oppressive heat and humidity should be Thursday, but hot and humid conditions will continue over Friday. Overnight low temperatures will be in the low 70s. It will not provide much relief from the heat. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, check on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning and evening. Know the signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight clothing and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is heat stroke. Oh my God, it's an emergency. Call 911. Oh my God. Look at how much of New Jersey and New York. Look at how much of America is affected by these. Let me show you. Oh. Wow. Hold on. Hang on, it's loading. Whoa. Just look at it. Well, it's coming. It's coming. I know it. Okay, hold on. Just Look at it. The entire state of New Jersey is under excessive heat warnings and stuff. This is crazy. Even areas up in Canada. It's a very dangerous situation, folks, and should be taken seriously. Thanks for watching, and please stay safe from the heat. Goodbye.